You're with this Network 18 special, All the President's Children, and we are privileged to be here in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Children from all over the country are getting a chance to pose their questions directly to President Pratibha Devi Singh Patil. In fact, the next set of girls are perhaps one of the most frequent visitors to Rashtrapati Bhavan, in a sense, if I can say. President Pratibha Patil से आप क्या सवाल पूछना चाहेंगे?
हम वेस्ट बंगाल साहिबपुर हैं। मेरा नाम है अफसाना खातून। हम चौथी बार आए हैं। मैम आपसे हम एक ही बात पूछना चाहते हैं, जो हमारे समाज में माता पिता और लड़का को ज़्यादा पढ़ाते हैं, उसके लिए जितना चाहे खर्चा कर सकते हैं, और लड़की को समाज में बोझ समझ के जल्दी से शादी दे देते हैं। तो हम यही चाहते हैं कि आपका आदेश से हम ये बाधा कैसे हम दूर कर सकते हैं।
पहले ऐसे था, मगर अगर स्थिति बहुत बदल रही है। अब शिक्षा का बहुत प्रचार हो गया है, प्रसार हो गया है, और जैसे कि कानून की बात आपने पूछी, अब तो कानून बन गया है कि सबको शिक्षा ये कंपलसरी और फ्री बनाई गई है। तो अभी ये कोई भी नहीं कह सकते हम गरीब है इसलिए नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं। लड़कों के लिए भी और लड़कियों के लिए भी सर्व शिक्षा अभियान शुरू हो गया है, मगर इसका फ़ायदा अभी सबको लेना चाहिए। इसमें लड़कियों को अपने बराबरी के हक के लिए अपने माँ बाप से बात करनी चाहिए कि हमें भी बराबरी का अधिकार दो, और हम भी आगे कुछ करना चाहते हैं और करेंगे। तो ये जो भावना है, इसको आपको मिटाना पड़ेगा और समझाना पड़ेगा। इस तरह से ये जैसे जैसे जागरूकता बढ़ेगी, माँ बाप को भी सब चीज़ें मालूम नहीं होती है, क्योंकि उनकी कभी पढ़ाई नहीं हुई, इसलिए उनको भी इन सब बातों की जानकारी देना बहुत ज़रूरी है। बच्चे खुद दें, टीचर्स दें, बाकी जो वहाँ के सोशल वर्कर्स होंगे वो सब दें, एनजीओज दें। ये जैसे जैसे बढ़ता जाएगा वैसे वैसे इस स्थिति में सुधार आते जाएगा।
इस बार आप राष्ट्रपति भवन आई हैं, तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है? कुछ फ़र्क है इस बार?
इस बात तो बहुत फ़र्क है कि नए दोस्त मेरा बहुत मतलब क्या समझ के लिए बहुत कुछ हम लोग को जानकारी मिले हैं, और साल का जवाब बहुत कुछ हम लोग को मिला।
अच्छा, इन सब बच्चों को, क्योंकि बहुत प्रेसिडेंट तो आपसे कई बार मिल चुकी हैं, ये सब बच्चे आपसे पहली बार मिल रहे हैं। आप ये बताइए कि आपको अवार्ड किस लिए मिला था?
हमको बाल विवाह के लिए हमको अवार्ड मिला था।
Ladies and gentlemen, I think we need to give her a round of applause. She's the winner of a National Bravery Award, because she stood up against her parents and tried to stop child marriage. देखिए, अब इतने बच्चों ने आपके लिए ताली बनाई, सब आपको जानते हैं। आप प्रेसिडेंट तो हमेशा से ही आपको जानती हैं, अब सब बच्चे भी आपको जानते हैं।
बहुत हिम्मत वाली लड़कियां हैं, बहुत हिम्मत है इनमें।
हम यही चाहते हैं कि आगे बढ़कर और हिम्मत वाला बनना चाहते हैं।
हाँ, बिल्कुल आगे बढ़ना है आपको, आगे बढ़ोगे, बाकी सब लोगों को लेके आगे बढ़ना है।
अकेले में तो बढ़ नहीं सकते, इसलिए सबको, पूरा देश को लेकर हम आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं।
Let me try and throw the floor open, because I know lots of you have questions to ask the President. Some of you are a little shy and restricted. I don't know why. Madam President, we have very special kids who've come from the Tamanna School. Do you want to ask the President anything? Do you want to say anything to the President?
Yes.
Okay, ask.
कि हमारे स्कूल कब आओगे?
Ashish School is Tamanna School. They're extremely specially able children with great qualities. And I do believe you visited their school on a previous occasion. But any message that you would like to give Ashish and the other children of his school?
I remember one of my birthdays, I visited their school.
So are you going to tell them when you're going to visit their school again? Because he's keen to meet you. Okay, let me throw the floor open for anyone who have fun questions. I know we've taken a lot of serious issues, but fun questions.
आप छोटे थे, आप कौन सी पढ़ाई आपको अच्छी लगती थी?
छोटे थे, कौन सी पढ़ाई अच्छी लगती थी?
मुझे सिविक अच्छा लगता था।
Civics.
See,
I think then you're in the right profession.
That is my profession. It has become my profession.
Okay, anyone else? Okay, ask the question.
Mom, as a child we have a lot of fun. How was an average day as a president?
It starts with meeting the people. In the morning, I try to meet the people, the visitors who want to come and see me. I discuss with them, I talk to them. Then also there is some files which come to me. Then we have some meetings. Then I go and attend some conferences, some national conferences, some seminars, or I go out of Delhi and visit different states, and then there is convocation of the universities. Then there are some seminars and conferences. There also meet people of various different sections of the people, and like that, you see, it goes on.
So overall, it's a very busy day, one is presuming.
Not every day, but then yes, almost.
Mostly. Okay. Can you pass the mic? Okay, she has. You can give this to.
You lead a very busy life. We all students are very curious to know that what are your hobbies and what you like to do in leisure time.
I would like to play table tennis, if possible. But then now it is not possible to do that because of my age. But even then, if I get little time, I wish to do that. And then you see a lot of other reading, writing, meeting children like you. When my grandchildren come, I play with them and try to go in the garden, you see, move about and see what is happening around. So that is what I do.
Okay, just about enough time to take 3 last questions. I'm going to give you one. Quickly ask.
A very good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, you're the President of India. Ma'am, how do you manage your professional life as well as your personal life?
Okay, manage your personal life and your professional life. I'll take one more question from girls who've come from Manipur, ma'am, and then you can answer.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, when will you visit our northeastern state? We'll be eager to meet you out there.
When would you visit her state in particular of Manipur or any of the northeastern states, because they are very eager to meet you?
You see, I have already visited your state, Manipur. I have visited each and every state in our country. I had been to Manipur, I had been to Tripura, I had been to Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Assam, and all this, Nagaland, all this. And I was very much pleased to visit your state. And now I'm very much pleased to meet you. All the best to you.
So that's a personal invitation. She'll be very pleased to meet you. Ma'am, her question was, आप अपना personal और professional life कैसे manage करते हैं दोनों चीज़ों को?
You see, duty comes first. So whenever I have to perform my duties, I give time to that first, and whatever time remains is for my personal life.
Before we close the show, ma'am, you've given us a great sense of inspiration. You've talked about social justice, patriotism, courage for women. So I'm going to give you one final question from this young boy who I think is striking a chord when he speaks about lots of young people. Go ahead, Chandra.
Ma'am, these days, patriotism is a concept that seems to have been lost on the youth. Ma'am, why do you think this has happened?
And what would your message really be to the young people here?
You see, my message is educate yourself, try to do good things in life, whichever field you work with honesty, sincerity, and hard work, and always keep in mind your duty towards your parents, towards your country. And that will really make you good and great.
I think that's the perfect note to end the show on. Work with sincerity and honesty, and that would be patriotism for this country. Madam President, from every child who's present here and is connected with you from across the country, a very humble thanks for inviting us here to Rashtrapati Bhavan and being such a wonderful host.
Thank you
very much.
Most welcome.